Our top 5 best cheese for deli sandwiches. Deli sandwiches are perfect options as delicious ready-to-eat meals for your busy days. If you can pick the right cheese for these sandwiches, the meals will be even more delicious. There are over 100 brands producing various types of cheese that go well with sandwiches. But it can be a bit tough to find the best cheese for deli sandwiches. 1 number product. Kraft Singles American Cheese Slices. 124 quart pack of Kraft Singles American Cheese Slices. Kraft Singles American Cheese Slices have no artificial preservatives or flavors. American cheese is mild and creamy. Sliced cheese cuts prep time and melts easily over hot foods. Made with milk for quality and consistency. Use it for deli sandwiches, burgers, grilled cheese and more. Keep refrigerated. SNAP and EBT eligible food item. 2 number product. Sargento Provolone Natural Cheese Slices. Sargento Provolone Natural Cheese Slices bring a little taste of Italy right to your dining room table. Whether it's for a romantic meal for 2 or a game day get-together, this 8 ounces package comes with 12 slices of provolone cheese, perfect for appetizers, entrees, and grilled cheese sandwiches. 100% real, natural cheese uses simple ingredients like cultured pasteurized milk, salt, and enzymes. 3 number product. Jimmy Dean Sausage Egg. 1 8-count package of Jimmy Dean sausage, egg and cheese croissant breakfast sandwich. Frozen breakfast sandwich has 13 grams of protein per serving. Features savory pork sausage, fluffy eggs and melty cheese and a buttery croissant sandwich. Jimmy Dean Sausage Breakfast Sandwich is made with real ingredients. Microwave meal is ready in minutes and easy to prepare. 4 number product. Horizon Organic Sliced Cheese American. Our standards are what set us apart, and our quality is what keeps us stocking pantries, fridges and freezers with the best natural and organic 365 products every day. We get excited about things like whole grain flours, shade-grown coffee, organic milk and frozen veggies because we know that you care about cooking with the very best ingredients, without compromising on the ingredients you don't want. All 365 products meet Whole Foods Market quality standards. 5 number product. 365 by Whole Foods Market. Horizon Cheese Sliced American Organic, 8 ounces, made out of quality ingredients. The product is being manufactured in United States. Make the ultimate grilled cheese with Horizon Organic American Singles. Delicious on sandwiches and burgers too. Singles are individually wrapped and ready to use. Cultured organic pasteurized milk, organic non-fat milk, organic milk fat, sodium citrate, salt, organic annatto, vegetable color, microbial enzymes, non-animal, rennetless. Thanks for watching this video.